Well, you got started with Review Harvest like back from day one starting Vent Doctors. And I think now you're at over 200 reviews. What would you say to somebody who has no idea about Review Harvest, but knows they need some more reviews?
I would tell people, and I tell all my business people all the time because I outrank all of them by a mile, is that I say Review Harvest is like your secret weapon. Because if you're doing good service and you're creating that value, then you can marry that with a company that will, like, you literally, all they're doing is tripling the opportunity that you're going to get reviews. You're going to grow substantially. I mean, just in the last like 15 months, we've broken 200 Google reviews. We're the number one ranking dryer vent cleaning company in our regions. We're ranked number one in all the maps and everything. And it's funny because there's a guy who actually, he bought a dryer vent business 3 months before we started. And I knew Clay, so Clay got us hooked up. Within 4 or 5 months, I'm outranking him, and people are thinking you're the business that just, you're 7 years in. That guy just started, and it's like it's a cheat code to like build up that, because people see 200 reviews, they think, oh, this guy's got to be in business the last 5-10 years. We've only been in business 2 years, so it's like I tell people all the time, like I have so many people, Clay, that I've been trying to get to you. I don't know what their deal. They're just slow. I don't know what's going on. But I have friends who are roofers for 20 years. And they have 21 reviews. And I'm like, so you've only done 21 roofs? And they're like, no. I'm like, call Clay, like immediately. So yeah, I just tell people it's their secret. It's my secret weapon. It's like, it's the one thing. It's like, it's probably the highest ROI marketing I have across everything we do. So.
Incredible. I love it. I'm glad to hear it. And I love to mess with those people that have been in business for 20 years and only have like 20 reviews or something. I'm like, oh, so you only have had 20 happy customers ever? Like only 20 people were happy enough to say something? It's not the case. They have way more than that. They just, don't have a proper system in place to ask. So love for you to spread the word there. But thank you for the glowing review there. And we always like to close out with one piece of advice you would have to the home service business owner listening to this that might be struggling to grow, or they're kind of in the pain cave, they're in the trenches. What's one piece of advice you would have?
Yeah, the best advice I ever received was start small, think big. So a lot of times as business owners, we think, oh my goodness, I need to buy the fanciest truck, the fanciest equipment. I got to get it wrapped. I got to spend all this money. Don't. Okay. Start small, keep your overhead low, but think about where you want to end up. And that as you grow, like play to your advantages. Like if you're a smaller company, you could probably offer lower prices. If you're a smaller company, you can get out there faster. And so use that as your advantage. Don't go in there and spend all this money on everything and just pray that it's all going to work out and it's finally going to catch up. And so I would say start small, think big, and just stick it out.
Great sage advice there, Daniel. Well, thanks for hopping on today, Daniel.
Thank you. You too, Clay. Thanks so much.